Welcome to the HyperWorks 2023 Tips and Tricks video series. This video contains a number of tips and tricks about browser actions for HyperMesh 2023. It is intended to be complementary to the respective video from the playlist HyperWorks 2023 Introduction Basic Handling. More tips and tricks videos exist, one for each video of that playlist. Dragging and dropping one browser onto another one attaches it either as separate tab or shows both browsers in front view. One or the other depends on dropping it in the upper or the lower area of the existing browser. Review a selection to display the rest of the model transparent. Displayed count shows the number of displayed entities by type. From the model browser you can easily hide, show or isolate complete categories of entities, like certain element types or geometry. In entity browsers, the filter offers each column as filter criterion and lists per criterion the values available in the model. Boolean definitions allow multiple criteria definitions to be used. Predefined filters exist also for the current component, for the displayed components, or the currently selected components. In the entity editor you can unfold related entities, like properties and materials, to review and edit details. Add selected details as additional column through Add Column. Once added, you can turn it off again through a right-click on the column headers. Export offers export of selected entities in CSV or Solver format. Under Configure Browser, select Show Entities under subfolders to have entities listed not only in the dedicated browsers but also in the model browser. We hope you found some useful tips and tricks in this video. Think of the additional videos available on YouTube, and also visit us on community.altair.com. Thanks for watching.